Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Douyin outfit and dress the impress for free without VIP. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this color and put on this ribbon. You're going to choose toggle 7 and then you're going to apply this pattern and then put on this necklace. Make it this pattern and then put on this item, just leave it like that. And then you're going to go to the top area right here, and then I'm going to put on this top, and then for this top I'm going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to select this top as well. We're going to make it this pattern, okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to put on the sleeves, this one guys, and then we're going to change it to toggle 2, and then we're going to apply this pattern and make it white for the second selection, okay. And then I'm going to combine it with this item, this one, okay. And then for this item I'm going to apply the same pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. Then we're going to put on this socks. We're going to make it high stripped socks, and then I'm going to make it all black. All right, done. And then for the sock I'm going to remove the feet, right guys, okay. And then I'm going to select the stocking, and for the stocking I'm going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to move to the next area, this boots area. I'm going to put on this boots, and then I'm going to make it this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to go to this area and put on this Mary Jane shoes, okay, done. And then we're going to put on this top and then apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection, okay. The next one, wait, I'm going to go back to this area, and then I'm going to put on this skirt. All right, for the first selection I'm going to apply this pattern. For the second selection we're going to make it this color, and for the last selection we're going to make it black. Oops, okay, done. And then we're going to go to the dressing room, okay. From the dressing room I'm going to go to the kids item, and then I'm going to put on this leg warmer, and then we're going to apply this pattern, okay. And the last one guys, I'm going to put on this back and apply this pattern. And wait, sorry, I forgot one more item. You can select the skirt and then apply this color, okay. Finally, you will have this Douyin look and dress and press for free without VIP. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.